Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of creating a new grade. After creating grade, you will have to create salary grade. Click on the video link, given in the description box to know how to create salary grade. If your company is planning to introduce a new grade, then you now need to create this in PromptHR. Before you log in into PromptHR, check that you have admin rights to create a new grade. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. Click on Position. Click on Grade. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to add your new grade. 1. Enter code. 2. Enter the name. 3. Select broad group from the list. 4. Click on Save. After saving, you can see the newly created grade in the list.